On antique typewriters, it's very common that the old decal is partially missing, or the golden paint it just gets faded by time. So somehow you have to replace it, or just to fill up the gaps where the gold paint is missing. If you are lucky and you find a complete replacement for the decal, then you can just take off the old one, put on the new one. But in this case, since it's a very rare typewriter, it wouldn't work. So what you need to do is to repaint it. And the way I paint it or fill the gaps is by using golden paint, which is called liquid metal. It's a solvent based paint. As you see on the lid, on the back side of the lid, you can see those golden particles. Here on the right, I have in a small cup took out some of the solvent because it was too much. I don't need that much solvent, and I need more of the thick part that I can use for paint, these golden particles. So before usage, you put back the lid, you shake it properly, and all the gold particles that stays on the edge of the jar will be used, or can be used. All you need to do is you just need to find a very thin tipped tool. I'm using this is a dentist tool, and just take off some of the golden paint from the jar, or you can use also the lid. But this has to be dry enough, so you don't have to be you don't need to use most of the solvent. Just need to use the dry part, and you will probably will good use of it. It's very useful to use a magnifier lens, and you just start carefully tipping back the parts where the gold is missing. Yeah, so that's the idea. It's a very time-consuming job, and I need both of my hands. So this is how you can replace or fill those missing gaps on old decal.